Hey guys, welcome to another vlog from DC Traveler. We are in Berhampur and we're out to have some Berhampur special food. We just arrived at this hotel, Radhe Radhe Hotel, and we will have some Berhampur special paneer roll here. Join me. Huh? We don't have paneer roll. We don't have paneer roll, sadly. So, what else do we have? Anything special of Berhampur? No? Let's go then. Doing some photography. This is their living room. The lunch. So I was just telling this man now what a good view of Lighthouse. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog from DC Traveler. We are in the bustling city of Berhampur, out to get some Berhampur special food. So we've stopped by here. By the way, I have my host and a friend Kartik with me today. ये पनीर रोल है ना?
पनीर रोल भाई।
ठीक है, 2 प्लेट दे दो।
खाने के लिए ना?
हाँ, अभी खाने के लिए। Now this paneer roll is unlike other paneer rolls that I've had. Normally when you say paneer roll, they have tortillas stuffed with paneer and rolled up. But this one is made in Berhampur style. So you're not having?
No, I won't have. It's okay. I will record for you.
I asked for 2 plates.
It's okay. I
2 plates.
No.
You have.
I won't have. We'll have chicken. That's the reason I won't have.
Okay, then chal. Okay, Kartik does not want to have paneer roll, Berhampur special, but we will have it. So what I was saying is, the paneer roll that you get everywhere else is these tortillas stuffed with paneer and then rolled up. But in Berhampur, this thing is called paneer roll. And you get these delicious chutneys. A couple of days ago, we had paneer roll for the first time at a different place. We actually wanted to shoot that place because that day I did not carry the camera with me. And those paneer rolls were super tasty. So today we drove 30 minutes to that place just to find out that paneer rolls had finished. Since then we have been driving around Berhampur for last I think an hour, right? And finally, while we were driving from here, I just saw paneer rolls here. Just when I was losing hope for finding the paneer roll today, we finally found them. So you guys are lucky. You have one?
No, I won't have. I won't have.
Why? Any reason?
I will have chicken. Yeah. Come this way.
I'll also have chicken.
No. I won't have anything before I have my chicken.
We want to enjoy chicken.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are on a food tour.
Just come this
So
way.
we have to have this guy has no regard for the vloggers. He's serious about his job. So we have to have as much food as we can. Kartik, are you a good cameraman?
Yeah. I hope so.
We will have as much food as we can today. I've kept myself hungry. We just finished one roll. The chutney is super spicy. This one, especially the red one. And after this one, we are going to the famous Girija Hotel in Berhampur. Girija Hotel is known for non-veg food. If you come to Berhampur, you cannot not go to Girija Hotel. That's why Kartik is saving up his appetite. He wants to enjoy chicken. I'm about done now. I'll finish this and then we'll move on.
Water. I have good. I have water. I have water. It's okay. It's too spicy.
In a good way. Now, yeah, 20 rupees. So guys, this is 20 rupees, which is like $1/4. Now we'll find lassi. Now we are going to have some lassi, Berhampur lassi. This is the third time I'm having lassi in Berhampur. It's one of the best things I've found here as far as food. Wow. I've made 2 lassi vlogs so far. This is the third one. So I'm not going to explain what this lassi is or how it is different than other lassis, because I've said that twice in this series. If you have been watching the Odisha vlogs from the beginning, you already know how this lassi is different. But if you don't, then watch that vlog. The I button.
There's a different thing available here. It's called mixed. We'll have a mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit. Okay. So there's another item also. Mixed fruit. We will have that as well after this one. I needed this after the spicy chutney. Cow also wants it. Start. That is start. So this shop is called Chandan Lassi Center. What area is it?
Girija Square, Chandan Lassi Center.
You heard it from the man himself. Wow. Now we'll have what? Mixed fruit.
We'll have mixed
We will have everything that we can have today. Because today is the last day in Berhampur. And guys, this may be the last vlog of this series because tomorrow morning I am leaving Berhampur for Bangalore again.
Export juice.
This is mixed fruit juice. Let's have it. कौन सा फ्रूट है इसमें?
इसका fruits apple, banana, mango shake, rabri lassi. Mixed fruit juice.
तो इसमें रबड़ी लस्सी भी है.
Rabri lassi है.
Well guys, this is another variation of lassi. So this is Rabri Lassi, and what if you want to know what Rabri Lassi means, as I said, check out the previous vlogs where I have covered Lassi. Now this one has Rabri Lassi and there are some fruits as well in the Lassi, and of course the cashew nut. This looks like apple strawberry, either apple or strawberry. That's a banana. We are still going to go to Girija to have our dinner. So these are just snacks that we are having. The dinner is still pending. I think Kartik will be having most of the dinner. Yeah, of course. I will have less food and more talking while we have our dinner. As if I am not doing all the talking right now. What do you want to say, Kartik? This may be the last vlog.
I've been having lassi here for past 10 years. Nice place.
Not about this place. This may be the last vlog.
Of course, we'll meet again in Bangalore and we'll travel a lot.
Guys, this has been an awesome trip. Thanks to Kartik.
We will meet soon.
There's a mosquito sitting on the lens now. So Kartik is planning to come to Bangalore. I mean shift to Bangalore for work. So our travels together will continue. कितना हो गया भैया?
85. नहीं अंदर नहीं.
हाँ? अरे नहीं क्या क्या पागल हो क्या? नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. ये लो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. अरे हम लोग
बारे में प्यार से दिया रख दो.
नहीं प्यार से दिया ऐसा नहीं चलता है. पैसा लेना पड़ता है. हो गया. नहीं हो गया. ये लो ये रख लो. नहीं ऐसा नहीं चलता. आप रखो. Let's go.
Use your card. These people are asking.
हो जाएगा. हम लोग लास्ट में.
ठीक है.
People are guys asking you. Use your number.
Okay. He doesn't want to take money, guys. So. I gave.
No, other guy was asking.
Okay. Some more people are asking for the card here. So we'll give this card to people. Let's go to Girija now. And now, finally, we are at Girija restaurant, the famous Girija restaurant in Berhampur, to have some non-veg food. The very famous non-veg food of Berhampur, Odisha. I've seen vlogs. Okay. Record नहीं कर सकता है? Okay, so we are not allowed to record here. We will end the vlog.
No, hand and hand. Hand it here.
We will end the vlog here. So this vlog has not gone as planned. We first went to that place where we originally had the paneer roll, and we did not find paneer roll there. Then we went to Berhampur. We spent so much time in Berhampur, and finally we did find paneer roll, and we had that. We had lassi where we got exceptionally good experience, and then we got rejected in Girija. So I think that's how life is. Everything does not go as planned, and DC Traveler always will show you the authentic experience. So if I experience this, then you experience the same. This is how the last vlog in Odisha is supposed to. This is how the last vlog in Odisha is ending. Kartik is here smiling. So Kartik, what do you have to say about today?
Had a great time with you. Enjoyed the wedding. We went out. So soon we will meet again in Bangalore. We'll travel a lot. There are many plans.
So guys,
Let's hope for the best.
Guys, let me tell you, if you watched this series from the beginning, you already know Kartik and how this trip happened. But if you've not watched the first video or all the videos of this series, then let me tell you again, I met Kartik through this YouTube channel. We connected on Instagram, and then he invited me over to Odisha, and he hosted me at his place as well. They have a hotel business where I stayed. I've covered everything in this series, all thanks to him. And now, good thing is he is planning to come to Bangalore for work. So our travels together will continue.
Yeah.
Now, tomorrow morning we will do some photographs with Kartik, his family, his brother's family, where we attended the wedding, and I'll throw in these photographs at the end of this vlog to end this series. For you guys, I will see you again somewhere else in a different place. Until then, signing off with Kartik. Thank you, Kartik.
Do subscribe.
Thank you for making this possible.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Bye bye, guys.